Welcome back to Talk Up TV 1. I don't know what's the bad movie name?
Couples Affair.
That is it.
Episode 1, guys, and it's going to be epic.
Crazy. So make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Tell a friend, tell a friend.
Run, come over here.
Share it on all different social media platforms.
That is it.
Talk Up TV 1, way to go. Follow your mind this morning. That's exactly what I do. Anything with me dream, say, I hit me and go for this morning. Take your hand. Take your hand, good man, chill.
Chill. Chill.
What no pain?
Where you go?
You know, say me I go on and pay she will get something this morning. Me I go and dream last night, say me I eat something sweet. I'm just wake up with that sweet feeling there. The soul come back.
You don't buy something for me too, right?
What you want?
I mean, low for anything.
Look, because I not really make no breakfast this morning. No, you know, I not go walk with the two phone, because I don't want them boys to office and me rich and go pick.
Nobody not trouble this.
I'm going to left that one here. If I'm not, you call me on this one, the 955. You know that, you know.
Alright, yeah, man.
If you need anything else other than the loaf.
Alright, just stay safe on the road, yeah?
Then I have no loaf and I must buy.
Me go call me.
Tidy up the bed as I get up here.
Yeah.
So come back.
Be safe on the road, you know?
Alright. Then,
Yeah?
look for the place. You see me have one black face rag. Fancy give me. See, right there you have your little pretty perfume.
Alright, see you there.
Yeah, come. Tidy up the bed, you know.
Yeah, man, I do it, man.
Alright. So come.
Yeah.
In full, you not even realize I get one thing get up outside bed, let me tell him to pass the rag give me. I could have go back feed myself. But down in the bed sleep too late.
So Dale's been on tonight last night. Last night it nice.
How was it? Tell me now, man.
Yeah, if food. Papa's how did buy like literally the first night I tried the barbecue chicken but it turned up not turn out like.
Turn up.
Yeah,
Right now,
taste
babes,
nice.
me not tell no like, come like, you dey give me a after vibes right now because I don't know if I chew me eat too late or what, but
Maybe
it just make my stomach feel upset, you know what I mean?
maybe a heap of oil within a heat and a worse than never
Or you
drink
know,
no tea
you could have
yesterday.
fry good or something, you see me?
So what happened to you? I'm gonna make some tea for you.
Right now, more than mine, I can make some tea for me right now because, you know what not do me.
No, no. Alright, I'm gonna look for something.
But
for
say
you.
me love you like how Jesus love you little children.
You know, some I love it, so
And I would never harm you like or scar you, you know. Not even to war, you know, babes.
So much for you. How's a missing this? It's too there. It's just hard to day up and I think about chocolate. But I just always get up and I think about no man not my boyfriend. You don't feel nothing. You feel like no wrong day. If I even feel just sleep. You know. Tea bottle. No. Sit down. Babe,
What's wrong, babes?
you know so no sugar not there no?
What?
No sugar not there here. You, me have something, me call she and ask her if she have sugar around there. Cause she have to have sugar, what day?
And I don't like you have it in a man too.
Me have call her really, me have go around so it's the same time. Me hear?
Okay, babes. No more Popeye sweet in the night. I cook food more, you know. Babes, I cook food if I make me buy it in the night.
Hello?
Shana,
She ain't there.
What's happening?
Yeah, alright. You have to go call her next number, yeah?
Here, me come over there because I want some sugar.
Let me tell you, say she ain't there.
No, some sugar me I come from some sugar. Sugar finish. I
Oh.
don't tea make me.
Oh, alright.
Alright.
Babes, the soup come here.
Alright, you make one mastica by here.
Alright, the milk is the sugar and come back.
The umbrella. Give me the downstairs, give me.
Why? So why you going with Father Tax?
I'm there, you youth.
Why me give thanks a long time I no see you, boy. I love how you farm look.
Yeah, man, look rain just fall, huh?
And that me I say, place
too
more than
hard,
pay rain. But anyway, I have a better one car. In our farm, I like this. I like how rain fall and give some
man.
water upon it.
Yeah,
Farm.
man, right now.
So,
I'm buying the water for the truck.
Baby. You say ABC from morning? Say it again for mommy. Wow. Count now. Count. Wow. What color is your slime?
It's not mine.
Wow. It's pink though. Say pink.
Pink.
why Father Tax, boy. I tell you the honest truth now, man. Feel proud of my daughter, you know, man.
Son of us, you're a good father,
I mean,
man.
Good father, man. Me say me feel proud, man. My daughter make me feel proud. My daughter just settle down, you know, with one man.
That is right.
I mean, man.
That is right.
That's so life you go down, man. I
So-
saw me living, man. I saw me usually living, find him mother and settle down, and he come like I see him footstep in my follow. You understand me? I say? Yeah. So, boy.
Wait. I want Miss Ventures to the night chicken. All the bone is me and stop up, you know.
Season to your bone.
To the bone.
Oh, I season him season to your bone, man.
What do you say about that again?
Yeah, man, me I say, boy, I offer your daughter how she a go on, you know.
She's good, man. She don't go and do her thing, you know.
That's why I don't know if I tell us about every time I glimpse your daughter when I know one man. He have enough man though. Why? Me see him round.
Lato. Where that come from now, Lato?
No, actually, me have a reason.
Me have a reason.
Yeah, me have a
I
big
saw my
man.
daughter have enough, man, Lato.
No, but that's something I show you.
But show me that for Lato.
As a virgin, I couldn't just show you a little one pre. Because you feel good if you know say you're my daughter. They go on good.
Yo, lower that, brother. What can I tell you? Where you say? Where you say? Where you try to say? My
Alright.
daughter a whore, eh?
No, me no say a war. Me go say me see her with a quite a few amount of man. If you
So
want.
what that say?
Me no, I can't even friend. Me no say no. I say war. Me just say me see your daughter with quite a few man.
Yo,
For
I
this long
told my
time.
break, you know,
Yeah, me that's why me a-
got me a car, yo.
I just told me I'm a bridge, and that's why I assure you. So me no know,
Listen,
me no know
man.
what go on.
You come and talk about daughter. You understand? Look how long for your daughter there with one man, and you don't get a grandchildren.
A 2 grandpit me get already, you know.
Lie.
Lie. Up a yard, me just go a while ago for go see me
Lie.
daughter see me grandpit them.
Lie.
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 Brother, for me know you may ever tell a lie yet.
Why you tell lie right, that's all.
Eh?
Follow me daughter, come to your grandparents, because I'm your motor. Follow me daughter, come here with your grandparents. Because them boy,
So.
your daughter can't breed. That's what I'm talking
Where
about.
say my daughter can't breed?
Have whole heap of
You
man.
know see your bride. Who if you tell us say my daughter can't breed? You're a doctor.
I'm going to show you
Eh?
proof. And I
You
want
can't look
try
from
proof.
people and say people can't breed. You're a doctor.
Listen to me. I'm going to show you proof. And when you carry proof, come show me. Wait, come here. Oh, God, man.
Come in. Come on, Daddy, come. We'll go check what your grandfather wants right now.
Not slime.
Okay, get the rest. Take it up. Get it fast.
Oh no.
The bright boy, you see me daughter.
Me have my first granddaughter picture up on my phone.
Oh, very nice for Daddy.
Some man here.
You know, see me in this, I take care of your nice little granddaughter. What
Come
happened to
here.
you?
Come here, sir, man.
What a nice little baby that I...
Stop nice, man. You understand my daughter a while ago. You see, anything you can show me.
Me see a 2 grandpit me get.
Tell him, say, yo. I'm not doing that, but say, but yo, me just show him, say, yo.
Lady, I'm your
Result.
father raising, you know.
Result.
If me see something,
Look
me
there.
see something.
All right,
If me see something, me can't play blind to something on my
Alright.
virgin, me a raising
Yo,
with it.
Daddy, me no chatting with this man here, you know.
My daughter know what
So
I'm
you just go about him business. Me I go finish take care of
They are
him.
friend. I'm
But tell them no hide, they keep going.
Wait, don't move. Cause you come like either your daughter can breathe, I man or no youth.
Are you no keen daughter be you know?
No.
And if you do
Una
bad,
doctor. Una doctor at 2 gram penny me get.
Hold this. Help yourself.
Help me.
Help yourself to get 1 grand penny. Go get
me never need
Come
let's
on,
try
my
to be a
daughter.
daughter dog blood.
Yo.
Me never need dog blood.
You just go
I
tell
really
me
don't
like
feel out yourself.
I wonder if that penny that fame.
And if your daughter do happy, then you do ban a back a cow we ban.
Oh God.
I'm back at Kowi hospital there.
Go on letter. If you know how good I am, I'm friendship last. Go on. Cause you go turn me like that.
Two of the same thing.
It no fly far from black, you know see it?
Right. Boy, me can't bother with embarrassment now. I have to tell taxi boy me get grampini up there now. I know me no get no grampini, you know, man. Boy, me no want God to take my blessing. I don't know who my daughter deal with. From when me attempt some more one grampini, I'll know me can't get 1 grampini. If you give me 1 grampini, man, I know that gonna show off for me now, you know. So you having grampini, you know. You know something I say, boy. Wonder what my daughter did. Go check him now, yeah, man. Him man give me a this to give me daughter. Say my daughter can't breathe. Eh? Boy, me no. What is? I want that to give my daughter, man. I have to go talk to my daughter.
Brittany.
Yeah.
Oh. Sugar come pa. We just a fish sugar. Here, we soon come.
Listen, Chappy, stop going to me.
No, what you do?
No, you push out and I'm going to aggressive. If you like something,
No, you're not. I just if you touch me.
Listen to me. Me no say a warning. Me just
No.
Listen to me, man. Me just come here to make you know, say. No want you to. Me see the way how you look for me.
Brittany, not because somebody look for somebody, they like somebody. Me have no woman live with. So how me look for you and like you?
You all have some man. Me no say I want to stop bothering. Come here, no man. I sit down and stop you. So. This is why your woman not talk about your woman, talk about you.
But my very respect me woman in my woman.
Respect. And listen, your woman don't deserve you and me.
Oh, let's see that.
We can do things your woman cannot do. So come see.
Do
What
it.
time she come back?
She can buy something to come back. She not stay alive.
Rain a fall, she not an umbrella. Come man, you must care. Do a quick.
Brittany.
Just come.
Me can't do this yet.
Listen, just come.
You can't do it.
Remember you can't do it. Put on the come now. Listen, you feel like someone who come up here for sugar? I had the sugar when you come for to stop move so. Why I blush? Oh my god. I don't want to stop once. I like you. So you like that?
Yeah, but it's most everything.
Better than your girlfriend, right?
Yeah, I'm saying better than my girlfriend.
What do you mean by
No, this.
stop one?
Not bad at all. We come in a good mood and peace this morning. Me I go and I shop first. But me I step on this. But one of them, me I go call my friend. You call my friend cause you know the girl me always come around here with Brittany?
Yeah?
Yeah, me I call her and see if she wants something because she loves it.
Okay.
Hold on, give me a second. Call her and see what she wants. Shit. Turn on the light, turn on the light.
Shayna,
I'm a big friend.
but then girl, alright?
Yes, everything's wonderful, girl.
I have one dream last night and me dream something sweet. And me feel like say me feel go the sweet way so me come out here to get something sweet for eat. Might as well buy something for you.
Yeah, girl, bring something up for me. Feel like what I eat 2 donuts or something else. Yeah. Yeah, buy me oh my god.
Later, when you're there around your yard, cause me go come straight up your yard.
Oh, my was You left out already?
Me, I'm gonna leave the bakery now. Alright. If she thinks she get 3 out of this, it look like a 5 in there, she can't go, but I get 3 because my baby's run a yard and him I forget 2. Me get 2 Brittany, 1 Brittany go get, me sorry. She not go get what she bargained for, but me a good friend still for bring back some down. Have a nice day, lady. I me hope you have sweet dreams like me.
Okay.
Alright, yes, sir.
Bye.
Go on.
So what you go let me never enjoy it.
One.
I better make a woman know. Give me a hug. And stop once. You know you enjoy it and stop once.
Shayna!
Doctor, hi.
Hi, what's up?
Me there.
Alright, bless.
Alright then.
Shayna!
I want to put myself in there.
Shayna!
Doctor, Shayna there, you know.
What going on, man?
Shayna, friend, you know, knows that sugar she gone look.
Sugar,
But the sugar, I tell her, no sugar in there. But she gone.
And then Shayna friend come out and you check up bed.
No, because Shayna, she must straighten in place.
Everything good, man. You're young too, man. I know them way there, man. Everything
Yeah,
good,
man.
man.
You good, what?
I don't say nothing on that. I watch your step. I don't say nothing.
Good, man. No, I don't like that.
I don't want to this. You know, long I look for granddaughter, for my daughter.
I must that with us all.
Everything good still, man.
Soon as the money up.
Respect. I go up on the road. Just tell him say when pass through, because that's what I want to
Yeah,
see.
man.
Talk. Alright.
Alright.
One of them time. Here.
Yeah, man.
Brittany! Give me a donut first, then I say, give me 1 bag for put in, and then make everybody see a 5 donuts in our stuff. Brittany! Answer! Brittany must sit up on something like she can't answer. Brittany!
Hello?
Yeah. Brittany!
Hello? Who is it?
How you mean who is it? You're supposed to know my voice by now. You know say I'm Brittany's best friend.
Shayna, good evening. Oh,
Evening, I saw you sleep late in the morning now.
excuse me, what you doing here? I thought you was around your house.
No, listen, I come from the pastry shop and because Brittany and she said she there here, so I buy donuts to come me and her.
They here?
and share.
Me alone they here. Brittany said she gone on your yard come look sugar because she said no sugar no they here.
How long now? Because I don't too long me talk to her and me live
Come look at me. Roughly about half an hour now she leave.
Half hour?
Yeah, about half hour ago she leave.
I wait for her.
Yeah man,
Me
never
wait
stand up
little.
outside. You can't come inside man.
Half hour.
Yeah, and me
See now
alone
the sugar
here.
around here, that's Brittany gone and me and gone look sugar.
You know the woman, boy, I tell you, him boss say the woman them take care of all them kitchen stuff and you know what I mean?
I understand.
Market, you can sit right there. Man, be able to eat
Almost say she
here.
not take too long to come because
No,
we never
man.
expect to come and wait.
I mean, never really expect you either.
I left babes run a yard, no one care to as one of them think eat. I don't want to stay too long.
Oh, I say you take care and treat your husband nice.
Yeah, I always not left out my friend, I know that.
Yeah, man, me know, say you told her bestie.
Any day I get a bus overseas, you know, my friend, I forget an invitation to come over to, you know.
For Chocho,
Yeah, and then she can send for you afterwards.
and come to think of it, you know, say, me have something up my sleeve.
Up your sleeve.
Yeah, me really have something up my sleeve because I know you and Brittany really go a long way.
Look here, when
So-
people have something up their sleeve, a secret that they have, you know.
Yes, but I think I can trust you. You know what I mean?
Lord, let me sit down good and go up say no nothing for break my friend
man,
heart now,
no,
no, because
man, nothing like that, man. Relax now, Shayna.
oh,
You
just
what now? I really want to propose to you.
propose. Jesus Christ, what color I go wear going? Because guess what? Me can't get wedding planner, so you know. Jesus, a long time I want you.
That time I didn't want to tell you it, so you know.
No.
Just calm down, man. Remember, say, yeah, Brittany bestie, you know.
Yes, but me happy for my friend. Look here, they're on the good and the right road.
Listen, me. Remember, say, I want you to be the bridesmaid. It's what I say.
You feel good feeling
Are the
on
maid of honor?
the maid of honor
Which one
because
fling up the flowers saying I hear?
no man, a Britney go fling up the flowers so because of she and the bride.
Oh,
You
remember saying
understand?
you know about the wedding.
But
thing,
me
but-
now, me go there close to Britney for the dry her face and them something.
Okay, but-
I'm longing for this
But
moment.
listen. You can't get too excited because she don't really know yet. You
Oh,
know?
you not tell her yet?
No.
So when you don't propose to her yet, do it tonight, just do it tonight, not take long.
Shayna, just calm down now. Eh?
When is
Just cool,
my
man.
friend of mine don't be the friend of
Yeah,
bride.
hold on, no, man. I want to take her to Paris too, you know, but listen. I want to settle down with her and we can get a nice...
You settle already, I'm a friend, a good woman, you settle. A long time you settle. Some don't know what kind of small settle you
I
want.
know you is a nice young girl, you know, but me no really got no kids yet or nothing, you know what I mean?
You want good man too, and my friend,
Yeah,
I
but-
want good girl. That's why
No.
I'm going to get married
Yeah, me
soon.
put her in front of the pastor, man, I make the pastor.
Let me 8%
Tell
here.
I wish or I do or I will want to say I do.
Me like that. Hurry up and settle date because
Yes.
you are. Me can't get wedding planner and me have to
Yeah.
link. Time wait unknown, man.
Shayna,
Aye,
what going?
Babes, where are you coming from?
Babe, come down, I'm here.
Babes, you told me that you're going around to Shayna for sugar. Where's the sugar, babes?
Shayna,
Brittany, me not understand you know. Me there run a bakery and me call her not even 5 minutes ago.
no, the thing is that, listen, babes, I'm mixed up.
Babes, are you lying to me?
No, me made it up on Shayna. What's the never really love? You really feel like I'm gonna lie to you?
So hold on there.
I wouldn't dare think that, you know, babes.
Hold on. Get this thing straight now. Me there run a bakery and me call you in about 5 minutes.
No,
Less
but
than
the day
5
here, when
minutes.
I come in the day here,
You
Shayna.
tell me say you're around here, but when me come, your man tell me say you're gone run on my yard half hour ago.
Yeah, more than half hour now.
But me did day here.
The year. You never the year, babes.
Babes,
I was the only one in the house.
babe, I was here. The thing is that me did it downstairs. Me tell her somebody I go wash it and me never go there, me did it downstairs.
So where sugar when you go for over my yard there? Where sugar?
No,
Yeah, where's the
I'm
sugar?
mistake. Me make her because man did the pan shit. Sure, let's listen.
Your mind fit upon your husband, Brittany.
No, because me did just come off my phone, so he sleep one time. I say Shayna to him. Well, what I tell not tell
No,
you.
no, from
It
me tie up.
sounds strange to me.
So why don't just don't call me like this?
Brittany, we not done for you, but listen the argument, listen the conversation. Me call you within about 5 minutes time, less than 5 minutes, and you
Brittany,
say
where were you?
When you call me the day, me me the downstairs, Shayna. And the moment me leave out from downstairs, me go a shop go try get one water.
But you never tell me
Just
say
then I
you
try
shop.
to shine man I do nothing.
Yeah, me don't hear because me
Yeah,
didn't
me
care
can't.
how much feel.
Because me don't know how not go on so far.
Babes, I don't
I go like a
understand.
man.
babes. I don't
You
understand.
tell me I
babes.
bring three for me.
I
So.
go get two, but when you time me up right now, me have to go walk and eat. The other one I go get and
Babes,
fancy
you
that.
left these stuff here, right here, babes.
Come.
And you rush off to the road.
Two for me and two
No,
for me.
normally
babes,
you
can't
always
get
put it in the bin, babe. What's the rush,
So me
babe?
try to be a nasty girl.
No, what's the rush? You never do this thing before.
Look
So
here,
what's
look here.
the
I'm
rush?
going to do this when me gone, please. I hear do this when me gone. I don't take me leave now because me leave me. Me nice,
sure.
but no in a bed and me have to run go give him $2 even when she supposed to get
Okay,
up
have a
and-
nice day. Have a
Later,
nice day,
yeah, Brittany?
Oh.
Later.
Yeah, have a
You
nice
just eat half you do, you not even half of your man piece.
Yeah.
Girl, that's how you live.
I have to do not me eat. Me not done eat yet.
You
Me too want
ain't gonna give him none. Two
Okay,
for me and
I'm
two
okay
for my
with
man.
that.
Me not left out my man in nothing at all.
You see exactly what I talk about? You know what I know. Girl, go on there, man. You chat too much. Babes, I am it. You need to calm down,
Babes.
man. Let them come and give one massage. Stop one, so.
Yes, God, no, no.
Me tell her, say, I go over my friend and mistake, me make her say that. Me did that downstairs all along. You know, me out, me regular spot down there. Sit down and play
Yes,
music
but
on my
one
phone.
thing, babes, you take too long, babes, so a bag of things, you
No,
know.
me did on my phone and play music and me get carried away and then me just say, alright, in the time, hot me I get one water shop and the sun comes and the time
next time you just call me on the phone. Me never depend on the tea, you know, right now, I want some tea. Eh?
Wait. You know, so me feel like some sugar that around there do. Babes, me go double check here because the sugar just can't done so. Give me a sec, me go look.
See any deals?
Yeah, babe, sugar around here. Some have around here, man. But what about the teen, we here?
You're right, babes, man. So I look like I'm going out on the street. That's just waste of time.
I say, it makes sense with this day, me, because the rain and fall and something.
You could have gone there with cold and flu and you know the symptoms are going on.
Exactly.
Remember this cappuccino, okay?
Oh, cappuccino?
Yeah.
No problem. Alright, you want a warm up?
Okay.
Alright.
Hey! Choppy. Chop, lad!
Shayna,
Yeah.
why it take so long?
Me take long.
What you mean? You see how call me, you don't call me.
I throw me this stop, but listen. Me buy donut, me did stop. If you see Brittany.
So for me, this is one left.
No, listen, me did end up gear one because of 5 coming there.
So make you have to give him something. You have money to buy himself.
You know, say I'm a bestie like that. So anyway, me gear one and 4 left. And me say me I bring 2 country, me put no
So how I want to win cup?
and me we are coming. Me have a lot of things for my mind and me I walk and eat and God know
What you have for your mind?
And when me eat 3 of them, me don't realize
No, what you have
how
for your
one
mind?
left.
So give me
One
this
heap
one
of
of them.
things.
So you have for your mind.
One heap of things me have for my mind, but you can't just...
Me alone if you have for your mind. No?
That don't mean say me not have things to
Oh.
think, but...
Okay then. So wow.
Nothing.
So you see her?
If Mr. Brittany,
Mhm.
hey, listen, I one piece of drama when time I grow and Brittany had. But that's all that make me not even remember
So we have one around there.
You see, when me go down at pastry shop, me call her. And when me call her, me say to her, say, me dey down at pastry shop and get something sweet. If she want nothing, she say she want 2 donuts. Me tell her, me go buy it and bring it. And you know, just drop it off her house.
Okay, this is your ground there.
Me say, babes, she said she there home. Not even 5 minutes. The lady don't take for serve me and 2 times if you reach on a Brittany hand. When me go to the call Brittany, a Brittany man alone did it.
So what she did?
You tell me.
You mean?
You tell me where she went the
me
chop
tell you.
lad.
When as I left, she called the phone. Miss called the same way. We answer. Say you want to come for sugar. Me tell me say when Shayna come, you ask Shayna for sugar. I don't want to run. I take himself come and see me. I run him back.
So hold on.
So I don't know she go find that.
You not give her no sugar?
What?
So
So how me give her sugar Shayna? You know me can't. You know me not gonna do that.
how long now chop lad?
As I gone.
As me gone?
Me tell me so. Me have to
Some
ask
lad
Shayna
they tell
first.
because listen.
I tell her, I'm gonna tell you.
If I
So she
ask
come
me
on
gone
here.
chop lad, look here. When me call Brittany I know long about 5 minutes and you know you tell me say as me gone that means say
As
from
you-
morning
Alright.
me left her yard. She tell
So
me
look on
that.
the so look on this in there.
No, she
Check your
tell
phone. I say you want sugar.
me,
So
me
say,
not
no,
check. As a matter of
I
fact.
tell her, I say
Listen.
me go tell you.
Listen, babes. You see right now, me don't really feel like say me trust Brittany, you know.
That me I say cause
Me and her good friend.
when she come around I say, but me not fit tell her, yeah me have to tell Shayna cause me and Shayna live
But
too
me
long
have
for not
sugar
tell her
in
see
her
you come
fridge, so
around.
how you tell her say me not have no sugar, me and her a good friend. If she say she come for sugar, why you never give
Because I
her?
guess other Shayna, we can't give her without your consent.
No, chap lad, me and Brittany
No,
no
we
live,
can't do
so-
that.
Chappy Brittany is like my next sister and you know, say
You
me
know,
bestie.
I'm tell her if you call her next phone, she say no. That's why me not give her. You
That's-
understand?
Me not sure if me understand this, but
Mm-hmm.
right now, you see, as from today, me I keep a close eye on her. Cause me notice she with the eyes there too, you know.
It's me.
No, it's me.
But
Because,
you can't look for me.
what you mean Brittany can't
Wow.
look for you? But what kind of game just go on a while ago? Brittany come for sugar and you know, give her no sugar
No,
and sugar and that.
no,
Look
we can't.
here. Look at chop lad. Look here. Grace. Grace
You can't-
sugar
then I tell her,
chop
say,
lad.
you know, listen me I say, she can't eyes me. If she call you upon the next number, I tell her to call her. She'll get it and she'll get the sugar and go and about she business. She don't call, so I don't give her none. So she can't look for me and eyes me and talk about over it. Are you for your eyes me?
You better make sure say
Okay.
me and the eyes, you know.
And me and eyes you.
And you better make
And
sure
she
say me
know, she
and
a better woman more you and good looking. Look on she.
Listen,
If you ever went I go run in a mud.
man always left them good woman in yard and take out some crabby road. You wouldn't
Yeah, man,
even
man.
believe that.
This one bring the football tough. Your friend, I have to tell you the truth.
Look here, nobody can style my friend. Nobody come too wrong to make one right.
Alright,
You
me
hear
tell you
nobody
say,
come
see, so
start
she not have
different.
nothing for you. I show me, she not have nothing for you.
Nobody come see it. You
That me I tell
can't see
you,
it.
nothing.
You can't see it.
You see me now want to come like a bar, you know what?
No, bad too bad, my friend. No borrow.
That me I tell you say.
It better you talk chat because you see when one man meet one woman out the road, you see if they like it woman, they not talk nothing bad about it woman.
No, but
Jesus peace
you're
if they
first
ever
class.
like it.
First class in my life, everything.
You sure, babes?
Anybody want them, them have to ask you first.
You sure about that?
100%.
Alright.
Me not
So
ask you.
but me still I keep a close eye on Brittany. Me have business what you want to say. And me alone, me not share
You can't
with
find this
no.
boy.
You
Because
better
me not
make
let you
sure
down.
that- You make sure
Nah,
that.
let- I was saying, no, I'm going up. I'm strong enough, everything's strong enough.
Right.
Definitely. Oh, we're going to sit down now, babes. Pick your spot. That piece of one.
You must know say broad long piece me want. So you ask me say, you don't know what me want already.
No, you don't like it short, you like it long.
No, you should never ask.
Yeah.
Why you couldn't eat veggies first? You don't eat much chicken now.
Long now, brother, my mouth.
You can't break it.
No. That's yo. Who mind them?
You got it. You want ketchup?
No. Chicken good. You need to have like pepper. Let me tell you. None of
Chicken
pepper.
no fear.
Never
You
find it.
ask them to pepper. No pepper.
That is
them.
what it is, but make it stay.
You enjoy yourself, little Bill?
Of course.
I'm sure enough.
So like a mini date
We have more, we'll live more days to go.
and more to come.
Big life, we are going to live love it.
Hold on, baby.
Oh, that's the outside and I will go.
Hold on, baby.
So,
Why am I not telling a lie? I feel like every evening I go chill and nice.
we should have up a yard, wrap up right and all.
That you talk
That's
about.
what it is.
You know, so I have something to tell you.
You always have something to say.
Yeah, man, but me I want
Well,
die for the right time and the right moment.
Well, basically, I bought over the years, so might as well.
Right now, as you can see, you know, we've been through a lot, you know, we second down for a little while now, you know.
Yeah.
You know, we decide to move on with the life and second down and have some kids or some style, you know.
Right.
Yeah. I mean, you look nice, you know. You know, see, I have 2 boy baby to me.
2 boy, you
Yeah.
don't want 2 boy.
Yeah,
one
one by January and one by February. You see me?
Listen to me, man, it don't make sense you have to and all of this. Stop plan, just
Yeah,
make
man.
things.
I'm not telling no lie still, no baby.
Brittany! Girl! So I go over there, so I never know.
Honestly, we never went to you.
Babe, I will go over there now. Can't bring you juice now.
I'm sure your best is still in a car. Go on, go on.
So you're going to let you know come. Come on.
Here.
Hi.
Me not even say you can sit next to me.
Yeah, man.
Why not put down here on
Hey, what's
the
up?
You still have to be don't. Right?
Yeah, but you know, there's no something around here.
Mr. Son, over here enjoying yourself and not going with yourself though.
Yeah, girl.
I like when always a goat and enjoying yourself. I love that.
It's
Not
one time young me there, so you have to
Babes, you know,
enjoy
please say that
yourself.
too far from me, babes.
Babe, when you reach home, my clothes, what problem? You listen me I talk to my friend?
Alright, have a time, babes.
I don't know if you man sit down beside.
Or you come nearer to me
Yeah.
then. I'm not telling you like I love her now. Live loving and, you know.
This a regular day, girl. Regular
Girl,
day.
I wish me live in the life there because
You look here, so you can see me.
oh, the man have me in the outside, my friend.
What's in there, you're saying?
Me know say I did this for babes, but me just a talk. No, it's truth. Yeah, bring me gun away. You know, bring me gun away.
Brittany.
I mean, every time I say, more
Brittany.
come somewhere today.
No, it's not the time
No,
for
me
that.
not argue. Me just make you know the
Yes,
truth.
remember me come out in a baby.
Yes, and the truth hurts. Sometimes you just have to accept
You
it.
can't be friend to friend and see
Brittany,
friend.
you cannot do that, Brittany.
Me I do
No,
that.
you not talk to your man like that, girl. You not see me and my man and live with babes. They want piece of what I do. You broke it this time.
We have to
Come
see her
on. You need to get that all of yourself.
They just have in the house like that for it.
Yeah, if it's just spice up your love life, my dear.
You ready? You ready, babe?
So quick.
Yeah, cause in time I get later now, we don't want to see you up on the road too.
Anything I say, me we go home, go have a nice time, cause right now,
Babe, go home. Come on. We'll go home.
No, we're not ready. We can't go back. Walk
No,
nice.
I mean, my.
Yeah, what you doing? Let me see how touch you, man. What kind of style that? Brother,
Babe, you see me?
my girl touch you, brother.
Me?
What you gonna see you?
Listen, man, you know, can't parrot for embarrassment, me tell you.
Hey,
Oh, man, what you do?
Just wait till
Man,
we
what
go.
you do?
Go on
Let
now.
me, man, don't touch
wait
me.
till we go.
Listen, man, what you
Hey,
don't
what me
push
say?
me.
Go
Do
on now.
not touch me.
Hey,
Don't touch me.
wait till we go.
I hear some here. Now, what this?
Touch, man.
You see me, I touch no man.
Me see
You
you
see
touch
me,
the
I
man.
touch no man.
Me see you touch the man.
Me?
And the man, the
Why
smile.
you making a lie, sir?
What?
You know, so you have to double dog put. Man, make me drop that. Me push
Go
up.
on.
Listen, man. Man, what you do? Make me walk, me have me foot them. Don't touch me.
Go on, now.
You so ignorant and that and cool for them and the man that go want you. That's so boring.
Chappy, come in, your son, man, you this all lay for. No one talk to him, not even to take off no slippers. Reach and you still lay out of door. I was going a while ago around this up on the plaza.
I wonder
No
myself.
matter with the Bob Marley thing, you can kneel down and preach me, you go preach to me and
Listen me out.
Sit down, me a talk to you, sit down. Me a talk to
Me did
you.
that. Me always see this man come to me and argue. Me wonder if he had go off or he take him medication.
Oh, you mean say man if they go off chapel?
You know say man a go on?
Me see how him a go on, that's why me access say I walk go on cause me never really see nothing into it, but you did a look on Britney now for my way chapel.
Beautiful. And you are so beautiful.
Then how man they go on so like saying they want to fight here like you do
And that
something.
me I tell you say come like you know take your pills and head go off.
You
You
know,
sure
talk
say no
about
madman a
man-
friend there with?
Look here, whether she want there with madman, yes or no, something happen at that moment. Why man to just transform such a be and behave so?
No, sometimes so you see some people and they just say I want a different relationship. They didn't know that. Because things now go and go with them on the other side. They didn't know that. And I can't trigger them brain. You never think about
And
that,
then
no?
for making just explore in a public like
Alright.
that, chappy.
Rest of the go look so good, you know, and feel woman look so, oh God, things can go
No,
on,
my
you know.
friend look good. My
Yeah, she
friend.
look, no, Mr. explain something good.
As a matter of fact, when you even they admire my friend who look good and who no look, you don't even feel they talk about if my friend look good, yes
No,
or
you
no.
know,
Talk
listen,
about
I say,
if no, me look,
yeah,
tell me
yeah,
alone
tell the
look
whole
good,
someone
not tell
see
me
you.
about my friend
Of course
look.
it look good.
Yeah, you see you? Make sure you see that on the right track in a chapel.
Always a travel the right, straight road, no corner.
I remember me did don't tell you from yesterday say me have a close
You realize
watch.
it, you realize it. Me not go near them.
Chaplain.
Because I want somebody me advise for, and I you.
Me a warn you, you know, chaplain. Corner here, oh, it next belongs to butcher.
What that mean?
What that mean, you will soon find out. That's your homework as a matter of fact, but research pan it.
So you want to cut out my head?
Me want to
What
cut
me
off
do?
it. Chappy, you're not gonna know my last word, you know. So make sure say you stay up on the right side because all of a sudden the man just blaze up on you and the man want to fight you. Me feel away, so till.
I go to me yard, Chang.
Come on, go on, man.
So when you push me and I go and so far.
Babe, I murder my friend.
Don't touch me.
Oh, yeah, man, I move so close. Eh? Me you go to the lurks off a man. What kind of style?
Me not lurks off for them and my friend, man. I share them, man. So when you want, don't touch me, you know. Me not take it, don't play with me, take it for me, mash up it for you. Don't touch me.
You don't respect me anymore.
Baby, me not respect you.
Yeah.
Call me if you not respect
Yeah,
you.
go to
I'm my friend, man. What me do the girl, man? You want me to tell her for myself?
You just make me
That's
look
how I make me
soft. You make me look soft like
Me
what
not make her look soft, you're soft. Argument
Yeah.
done.
Me not like how you treat me in a
This
babes.
is where I was, do I
After me
care?
have much plan for you in a babes.
See, you feel like I'm in a plans too?
Me feel say you when they look for me.
No.
Me not just take what you say so chaplain.
Not like that, not like that.
Chappy,
Not like
something suspicious they go and
the man come to
chaplain.
me and I hire you. Hey.
Me see all of that.
Something- Me I say, what is that?
Boy, me no know what fi say cause it come like I say me the mad now. Cause me no know what fi say. He man nah mad chaplain.
You realize my friend?
A long time me know that the brother there, you know. Long time me know him not chaplain. Him a good somebody. Me never hear if he have no unsound mind or nothing.
But you don't know.
No, you look like you unsound mind. Cause a man go fly upon me so and then me no know why
Me don't know. Because me don't see man come for your palm. You know, say you could have tapped me and kill them, me don't know what for. And you honestly go yes, say. But you tap Chappy for? Nothing.
No, me I forget to you bottom of this. Me go talk to Britney and
You have to go
ask
find
Britney
out
say,
what go on,
really
man.
what go on cause
This
something go on
surprising
there
to
so.
me.
Or you favor somebody where do him sitting or what me no know.
Probably.
Probably. You better go pray.
Babes, you and I go out and we managed to run into them. And it seems like you and that guy go out.
Listen to me. Yeah, I get all of this thing wrong. You know the funny thing about it? And I didn't come here, I see you and Shayna sit down right here, so I don't know what they are going at first and whatsoever.
You're moving too
Me come
close
listen to me,
to that
man.
guy, and
Me
I
come
don't like
come see you, no.
I don't like that, babe.
You know I laugh. Me not say nothing. Me look at it and say I'm a friend. I can't look at it and say I'm a friend. You feel like I'm
You're
a friend.
moving too close. You're moving too close. Definitely too
If I
close.
feel like I'm sorry, I want me to say me not say no sorry. Me not say no sorry because me not wrong. Me never do nothing wrong.
Babes,
Don't touch me.
you're overreacting right now.
I don't care. You're the one who's overreacting.
And you don't need to go on like that.
Listen to me, man. You're gonna fix your
You're
English
too
and then talk to me later.
You're too nice
Goodbye.
for
You're
that.
going to the bathroom. What is?
No, make no one mad me. No. I know me see out of my eye good.
Just stay there, mom. This is what mom in there say. Someone, man, I can't wait for the day me and him live. If I didn't mean chop it, I know say I'm going to them stress me and go through. God, because Shayna life happy, our relationship well comfortable. But if take it across this man here, whenever Shayna and him there. Why?
Right now, Brittany, I play with my feelings, you know. And the amount of plans on me have for Brittany, you know, Brittany not for the behave, so, you know. If only she didn't know. Shut up, God. I wonder if I make the right decision. If only she didn't know. Calm down now, babes.
You mean by if me calm down? Me look like me calm down? After you out here mumbling and grumbling and say all sorts of things, you feel I'm not in there and I hear you?
Babes, go look
Me
nice.
hear every single thing you say, don't come friend me up, because that not gonna work.
Babes, you look nice and sexy.
Oh,
Oh, God. Your bag. Babes, where you go, babes?
What mean by where me I go?
Babes.
You don't need to know that me I got mother yard.
Anytime you see you take up your bag, babes, you know say it's...
No, no, what I'm coming about.
No.
Don't touch me after you just say what you say. Me take the balcony. You feel like say.
Man, remember I said the place grilling up babes. Where you
Listen to
going?
me, man. Me I go through the door there. You can't stop it. Excuse me?
Yes.
Me need to go. Me I go. My mother here. Me not take no disrespect from no man. Imagine we go out, right? Me see my friend and our man living so good.
Babes,
Me
calm
ask
down
you a
now.
question. Me ask you a question.
Calm down now, babes.
You don't have a little romance in you. You never get up and say, babes, come out with goats. Every day still in the
Babes,
house.
me-
Boring and I do nothing. You just say, babes, come out, we'll go have a ice cream date or something. They want to look at bring me go buy like Popeyes and feel like, yes, that is it.
Babes, you saw the
You don't
door
have
them
people
clean.
for fat
You
and
saw the door
oil.
them clean. You saw the
This is what
furniture
door
them nice.
clean.
You need
So
a
you
man.
lock the door for.
Make your door stay, babes.
Me a come God mother yard, me not staying here.
Babes, me have to take care of it.
And even if me say me sleep on the ground, that's what I fuck. You are
get
sleep
up
on
every
the
day
ground.
and you can't watch people, you know. They might live them life, you know, baby.
And that's the reason why we're supposed to live life
Do
also.
not watch people. We're gonna live our life.
Going to live at where you wait till we're dead.
No, babes.
If you're going ever
I
get
have
enough of a new girl.
plans for you, babes. But just
Plans?
not showing the plans, babes.
Maybe men not show me the plans.
Babes, just calm down, babes.
You never bring for no official date yet.
Don't
And
do
you
that,
feel like
man.
say this is love.
Don't do me that,
This
babes.
is love.
Oh.
Matter of fact, we done chatting with the young man.
Yeah,
I'm
man.
not sleep.
Come on, calm down
Just
yourself.
avoid me. Don't know dealing. Don't know chatting.
Calm
with
down
me.
yourself.
Do not touch me.
Calm down yourself, babes.
Stop touch me now, me sleep until now this, don't play with me, leave me alone. Stay by your what as the bed big. Matter of fact, I
No, man,
can
just come and relax.
Thought
You know,
of
say,
things.
we just sit down here, so right here, so and sleep, babes, man. No
That's
worries.
right. Just can't tell that you can. So if I know one thing.
Alright, babes, that's it, babes.
Mr. Me don't want you beside of me. Stop doing that, no, man.
Alright, babes, just have a good night, man. I'll come turn on the fan for you, babes. I want me to turn on the AC.
You talk too much, I want to sleep.
Alright, let me turn
I
off the
can't
light.
sleep in the night.
Alright, I'm gonna turn off the light.
of this video.
And thanks for watching. We
God.
know you enjoyed this episode. Guys,
Me now
please
ask Christ.
look out for more. You see, Brittany, you're not easy at
Too
all.
really, and I get done. It's
Right.
crazy.